ॲक्टिव्हिस्टांनी सांगल्या उपरांत 24 वरांत पुलिसाची 3 बेकायदेशीर कत्तलखान्याचेर ॲक्शन. एनिमल रेस्क्यू बोर्ड आनी वेर्णा पुलिसांनी कासावले कत्तलखान्याचेर धाड घाली. कत्तलीचे सामान आनी गोरवांचे अवयव मेळ्ळ्यात. सुरयो, मांस लोंबकळावपाचे हूक, गोरवांचे रक्त, हाडां मांसाचो खच मेळ्ळा. पुलिसांनी अब्दुल बेपारीक भितर उडयलो. वास्को स्लॉटरिंग केसींत सय्यद कादरीक धरला. काल एकलो धरिल्लो तो बेताळ भाटी.
देशभर गायो मारपाक बंदी. मात बीजेपीचे अलायन्स सरकाराचे राजवटीत बेकायदेशीर कत्तलखान्यांक आनी गायो मारपाकूय रान मेकळे. ॲक्टिव्हिस्टांनी सांगल्यारूच पुलिसांची तितल्या पुरती ॲक्शन. शेनवारा ईदाचे दिसा साश्टी आनी मुरगांवां 3 बेकायदेशीर कत्तलखाने एक्सपोज केले. तिनूय ॲक्टिव्हिस्टांचे सांगण्या उपरांत. एनिमल रेस्क्यू बोर्ड ऑफ इंडियाचे गोंयचे ॲक्टिव्हिस्टांक कासावले बेकायदेशीर कत्तलखानो चलता म्हूण टीप मेळिल्ली. तांचे बरोबर पुलीस गेले. परिस्थिती पळयात. 9 बरे बैल मारूंक हाडिल्ले मेळ्ळे.
We have got some information and just we wanted to ensure things, right? Now when we just requested PS Varna and we wanted them to accompany us to the site, right? And now everything is in front of you, right? They are fresh flesh, bones, hair, skin, everything, and there are 9 bulls which are very healthy. They're tied just in the pitch dark, right? Why are they not tied? If it is a shed, why they not tied inside the shed? And there's a hook also. These hooks what these hooks what's the purpose of those hooks, right? You have seen the bone also lying there. You have seen the skin also lying there. You have seen the blood spots also. You have seen the knives also, the sharp knives there. And the flesh, full tub full of that. Further action, obviously, we want this to be investigated further, and it should be sealed immediately. It's an illegal thing. It's happening here. What else? And it's a contempt to honorable Supreme Court orders and honorable High Court orders. That's it. We just following law.
Yesterday, because there was less visibility, we couldn't see much. But today, when we went for the Panchnama, then we had a look at the back of the tank side area, where we found that there was a heap of bones of cows, and it was evident that it was cows because there were various types of bones, such as the head, such as various parts of the body that were present over there. And by the heap, it seems that this has been going on for years. So the quantity is a lot. If you'll have a look at it, then you'll come to know. That's that. Along with that, what happened was that as we were rescuing the bulls yesterday, we went to the same place where the bulls were tied up, and we saw that along the side of the what we can say, the lake side or the water side, we saw there is skins of cattle present over there. It's pretty visible, as you can just see a lot of tails over there. So we spotted 3 tails. So that means that probably there are 3 cattle over there in 2 different areas.
अब्दुल बेपारी म्हणटा हे सुवातेर स्लॉटरिंग जायना. तो खंय फकत वेस्ट हाडून वडयता. ताचे कडेन मेळ्ळ्यात ते बैल खंय पोशिल्ले.
बोन्स म्हणटा ते कितें जर मांस आमी विकताय न्हू, ती बोन्स वताय ती हाडून हांव हिंगा जाता. ती आमकां खंय डिस्पोज करपाकय मेळना आनी कांय करूंक मेळना.
पूण हे मांस तूं हांगाच कापता काय?
ना सर, हांव बेलगांव सगळो हाडटा, ना जाल्यार गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्सान हाडटा.
पण आतां ते बैल बीन तुजे भायर कित्याक बांदल्या?
सर ते मुगे ते पोसलोले सर, ते झगड्यां बैल एक आहा आनी 2-3 पाडे आहाय आनी पोसलो आहाय. सर आमी धंदो तो न्हू, आमी सूर्य भगत कितून जाता सर. आमी कितें म्हणटा पण्य जालें म्हणटा आनी हिंगा दोताय घरा कडेन.
पण हांगा तूं कापिना?
ना सर, जाल्यार कापता जाल्यार सांगता. 3 वर्सां पयलीं हांव बंद केलें सर. आतां
हेच्या पयलीं तुका वेर्णा पुलिसांनी अरेस्ट केल्लो?
तेन्ना हांव कांय इल्लिगल करूंक वचना. बेलगांवचो हाडटा, ना जाल्यार गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्सान.
पूण तुका दिसना हांगसर इतलो वास मारता आनी ते तुकाय बीन तुज्या जिवाक हानिकारक आहा म्हणून, हजार्डस म्हणून हे?
हय सर, म्हळ्यार आमच्या ते उरताय ते रगत बिगत येता, रिक्षा धुयता, ते वयतले रगत वयता, ते वास येता सर.
वास्को आपले घरा कडेन कुर्बानीच्या नांवान बैल मारपी सय्यद कादरीक पुलिसांनी अटक केला. त्या शिवाय काल बेताळ भाटी नागवाड्यार बेकायदेशीर कत्तलखानो चलोवपी इरफान बेपारीक गोरवां सयत धरिल्लो. तो गायोय मारतालो. पुलिसांक लज आनी शॉकाची गजाल म्हणल्यार तिनूय केशींनी पुलिसांनी एक्शन घेतल्या एक्टिविस्टांचे सांगण्या उपरांत. प्रुडंटा खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.
गोंयची नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजींत व्हर्च्युअल क्लासरूम आसतले. गोंयचे भुरगे मुंबय IITचे प्रोफेसरां बरोबर इंटरॅक्ट करतले. NIT खातीर थारिल्ले कुंकळेचे सुवातीक 500 कोटी मोडून असले 3 क्लासरूम बांदतले. सध्या NIT फर्मागुडयेर तात्पुरते बिल्डिंगेंत चलता. थंय 109 भुरगे आसात. 109 44 MTech.
गोंयांतलो NITचो नवो कॅम्पस हो खूब गजालींनी डिजिटल आसतलो. थंय व्हर्च्युअल क्लासरूम आनी लायब्ररी आसतली. NITच्या रेग्युलर फॅकल्टी बरोबरूच भुरग्यांक व्हर्च्युअल क्लासरूमांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान IIT मुंबयच्या प्रोफेसरां वांगडा इंटरॅक्ट करपाक मेळटलें. आतां मेरेनची पारंपारीक पद्दत मोडीत ह्या कॅम्पसांत लायब्ररी आसतली.
And we want to invest on mainly on first phase on administration building, and we'll have 3 very huge classroom centers. See, now there's no point in investing more on library. Now the fashion is that it's a bookless library where all digital libraries are there. And if you see in any institution, old institutions, the average percentage of students going for the library is not even 10%. But there's no point in blaming the students. We have to change them in such a way that they are encouraged to read through electronic media. In addition to that, we are going to have a very powerful interaction with IIT Bombay, IISc Bangalore and IIT Madras. We are going to have virtual classrooms. This is very, very focused. It's going to happen. And many of the classrooms are going to be called MOOCs, Massive Open Online Courses through IIT Bombay. And it's called blended MOOCs, where the teacher and students will sit in the class and there will be classes will be held by IIT Bombay.
सद्याक आतां मेरेन NIT फार्मागुडयेर एका तात्पुरते बिल्डिंगेत चलता. गोंय सरकारान NIT खातीर कुंकळे 120 एकर जमीन थारायल्या. केंद्र सरकारा कडल्यान हे प्रकल्पा खातीर 1200 कोटी मंजूर जाल्यात. तातूंतल्या पयल्या टप्प्यात 500 कोटी मेळटले. नवो कॅम्पस 2020 मेरेन फंक्शनल जातलो म्हूण NITचो डायरेक्टर गोपाळ मुगेरायाक आस्त.
Down the line 3 years, we'll be hopefully completing our new campus in Kankolin. The master plan is going to be frozen immediately, and we hope to start our work by at least by November, so that by 2020 we'll be having our permanent campus in Kankolin. This is our dream, and I'm very sure it will happen.
NITचो आयतारा पदवीदान सुवाळो आसा. 65 भुरग्यांक BTech जाल्यार 44 भुरग्यांक MTechच्यो पदव्यो मेळटल्यो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार वांगडा चीफ व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी.
घेऊ एक ब्रेक.